My name is Matt O'Connor. I'm the co-founder CEO of NoScrubs.
My name is Sudanshu, Gautam, and I'm the co-founder and CTO of NoScrubs.
NoScrubs is the fastest, most affordable laundry delivery service.
I'm Zoe Perret. I'm a partner at Initialized. We have known Matt for years, and I think he's found an awesome partner in Sue. They're thinking about this as a logistics problem.
I was an early Instacart employee. The profitability was made or broken by our last mile. It's doubly important in laundry. Americans spend 50 plus billion hours a year doing laundry. It's going to be a pretty amazing accomplishment for our company to make laundry a bygone chore.
All of these technology-driven approaches build a world-class experience for the customer.
Instead of rebuilding infrastructure for laundry, they can take advantage of the distributed network of laundry machines, laundry networks, existing laundromats.
Laundry machines are almost literally everywhere, and they also run at about 95% underutilization.
This is one of the rare businesses where the demand is very clear, the operational model scales well, and the market tailwinds are massive.
I come from a generation of people who have never seen a VCR or a VHS working. It was replaced by a service which was superior. When NoScrubs succeeds, we'll have a generation of kids who have never seen a washing machine.
So if you're interested, just go to noscrubs.com, sign up, and live a laundry-free life moving forward.